Another one.
What's up, YouTube? Andrew with you again for another episode of Daily Reel. This is going to be a pretty short, sweet, quick, to the point video. Nothing too special. I just wanted to show you guys the new little addition I got for the inside of the car, since it's a Honda. No AC, of course, but we wouldn't have it any other way, guys, right? Right. But anyway, to the point, I went to Walmart today because I'm sitting there thinking, okay, it's going to be really nasty out today, so I'm going to have my windows up because it's going to rain like a bitch, which it did. So I went to Walmart and I got a $5 special USB plug-in fan. It doesn't blow as hard as I'd like it to because it's only got one speed setting on it, but it does the job for what it's made for. And I'll give you guys a little, show you how it works and all. Now guys, there's the cigarette lighter charging port that I put in. I've just been unplugging the wire, plugging it back in because it's stupid easy. But super quiet. It blows pretty decent for the one speed that it's got. It is, like I said, a USB port. Plugs right into the USB port in the cigarette lighter, and it does the job I need it to do, especially when the windows are open and the storage draft is going on and the fan's blowing. It feels pretty darn good. But that's it. Pretty short, sweet, to the point. Nothing too special, just a quick little video. Just wanted to show you guys what I got for the car. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, hit that bell down there at the bottom. Hit that notification button so you get all the new content alerted to your phone and whoever you watch all the videos, however it may be. Hit that bell. As always, guys, I'm Andrew. This has been another episode of Daily Reel. Keep it real and keep moving forward. We'll see you next time.